Alright, welcome back to the channel. We got video 4 of 4 of the Sawyer Custom Test and Tune Ride Day for Yamahas. Yep, 2020s to 2023s. You guys brought them in for some suspension dialing and just a little bit of test and tune, get some track time, a little bit of practice on the jumps. Oops. Yeah, that happened. Make sure you watch the full video to see what happened. And what that was the back cam on Tony's YFZ. What just happened? Yep, this video we're going to be turning around, walking around the track, getting some good jump shots. This isn't just going to be a stationary watch them go around the track video like the other 3 were. I'm actually wandering around the track trying to get some cool angles and stuff. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on ride videos, tips and tricks, build videos. You got mechanical questions or stuff like that, just ask. I do my best to answer them. If I got to make a video on how to do something, I'll make a video on how to do something. We've got some fork shortening videos coming up and other build videos coming up also. So you don't want to miss out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. That like button, I know everybody tells you to hit that like button, but it actually makes a difference, pushes the video out to more people. The more people that click on these thumbnails and stuff, the better off the video does, the more the channel goes out to more people. So, with that being said, go ahead, slap around that like button. If you really feel inclined, go ahead, throw a comment in there. Tell me if you like riding, you don't like riding, don't like the noise. If you do ride, what do you ride? You like off-road, street stuff? I just like going fast. Always makes me smile knowing I built something that's ridiculous. So yeah, sit back, enjoy the video. If you like this one, you want to go back and see the other 3 to this series, flip through the channel. They'll be in the end screens. I'm going to try and put the videos up there so you can just click on them at the end of this video and go on to the ones before it. I've also got a long format from the full day. It's going to be about a 30 or so minute video, so look forward to that. Once again, appreciate the support, appreciate the clips. Thank you for watching the video all the way through. There's a whole bunch more to go, so enjoy, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. What happened? You went too.
I hit him.
You went too high and you rear-ended him.
I hit him actually, but nah.